Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Vitaliano Gallardo Valencia, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Peru to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I have the honor to present my letters of credential, which address the President of the Republic of Peru to you, Your Excellency, accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary Plenipotentiary of Peru to the Republic of Fiji. Also, Your Excellency, I have the honor to introduce to you the letters of recall of my predecessor.
¿Cómo está? Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Republic of Peru our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Gracias.
Thank you.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien. Thank you.
Welcome to Fiji.
No, really a pleasure, Your Excellency.
Let me introduce the First Lady, Filomena.
Madam, pleasure. Vitaliano Gallardo, Ambassador of Peru. Allow me to introduce Your Excellency, my wife,
¿Cómo está?
Pinka Petkovic, and Madam Filomena, the First Lady of Fiji.
Okay.
And we have many other photographs.
All right. I will love to go to Peru one
From
day.
Peru. As I mentioned you, with gastronomic presentations. And then I collected here some of our main developing is the Peruvian gastronomy. Lima is one of the best places in Peru to have top restaurants in the world are in Lima currently. And that shows the relation between our sea and our
I have, looking at the recipe book there on fish, let me, handmade,
Thank you.
pottery, just to express our culture. This is a water vessel.
Yeah, we have connections in the past time.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. So
You're
welcome.
excellent. No, no, a pleasure, really. That is perfect.